Tamil Nadu has recorded nearly 1,000 fresh cases in a day ahead of elections. The government is ensuring steps now to contain the spread of the infection. Chennai Corporation Commissioner speaks exclusively to Mirana on the preparations. Let's listen in.
As far as COVID situation is concerned, in Chennai, especially Chennai, we are seeing a sharp spike in the positive cases. What is the reason? Has the corporation identified the reason for the hike?
Earlier, when COVID started spreading, COVID actually gets attracted towards the population density. Population density is more found in slums and slum tenements, where it is 3 or 4 times more than the city's density. City's density is around 26,000 per square kilometers, whereas in slums and tenements, it would be around 50, 60,000 or even 70,000. So naturally, it got spread in the slum areas and the prevalent immunity got developed. And now for the past 7 months, we are observing 0 cases in the slums. So which means that the cases have migrated into the upper economic strata, the middle class and upper middle class and the upper class and all that.
What are the precautionary measures taken? Has been you are in touch with the political parties here in the states regarding the compliance with the COVID guidelines?
We have conducted 3 meetings with all the political parties so far, and we have given a fervent appeal to them to be examples to the entire society. So many of them have promised that they will take it to the cadres and all that. I hope our friends from all the political parties will, prove their mettle.
Thank you. There is Chennai Corporation Commissioner Prakash, who is asking the people to be much aware and follow all the COVID guidelines and asking the people to come forward and take up the vaccine.
Well, Mugilan is joining us with more information. So, Mugilan, we got a few points from that conversation about the trends and patterns. But the important thing is this is a poll-bound state. There will be large gatherings. Are there any new rules, new measures announced to make sure that the spread is restricted?
Right after yesterday's meeting with the district secretaries, already specific information has been given to all the district collectors, stating that that permission for the public rally or campaign should be given with the condition that the political parties to ensure all the cadres or all supporters who come for the meeting wear face masks and following all the COVID guidelines. Even though this being set as a mandatory condition, still we are saying non-compliance of these COVID guidelines that has been given by the health department. Still, we are saying the public meetings and rallies happening without these guidelines being followed. And the health department and the Chennai administration have already held several rounds of talks with the political parties, and they have instructed them to follow the guidelines that has been issued by the revenue department and the health department. Still, we are yet to see the compliance of those guidelines. And as far as Chennai is concerned, here in Chennai alone, the positivity rate has crossed 3, and as far as the state positivity rate is concerned, it stands little above 1% only. So the Chennai is now turning to be a very big concern for the health department officials. Yesterday, it was 945 cases that have been reported, but in Chennai alone, 395 cases was reported, and that turning to be a very big cause of concern for the health department officials. And this being the election season, we are seeing heightened activities here in Chennai. So now the Chennai district administration have decided to ramp up their testing, because so far in Chennai around 14,000 to 15,000 tests are being done. But after yesterday's meeting with the chief secretary, now the chief secretary has instructed the Chennai administration, the district administration, to ramp up the testing also. So now the testing will go beyond 15,000 is what we are expected. But when we spoke with the Chennai Corporation Commissioner Prakash, he also has confirmed that they are ramping up the testing, and in another 15 to 20 days, the situation will be brought back under control. So several measures are being taken from the district administration also. And on the other hand, to expand the COVID vaccination drive, now even the primary health centers and the government's mini clinics, and now a temporary hospital also is being planned to set up by the Tamil Nadu state government to increase the vaccination drive. So now the Tamil Nadu state government is trying to ramp up the testing and also trying to expand the vaccination drive to control or to curb the spread of COVID virus infection ahead of the elections here in the state and specifically in Chennai.
Right. Yes, it is a big challenge for the authorities, particularly for the civic bodies, to keep a close watch and, of course, to test, trace and isolate. Thanks for joining us with the latest, Mugilan.